You probably don't think about it much, but have you ever wondered how your body knows when it needs to sneeze? Or what exactly causes that satisfying itch right before you let out a giant yawn? Well, today we're diving deep into one of the most universal and essential bodily functions: sneezing. When you feel a sneeze coming on, your first instinct might be to grab some tissues and cover your mouth and nose. But have you ever tried to sneeze without using your hands? It's not as easy as it seems. Sneezing is a complex, almost involuntary action involving a lot more than just your nose. The whole process begins with your brain. When your body detects a foreign particle, like a speck of dust or pollen, for example, the trigeminal nerve sends a signal to your brain, which then activates the facial nerve. This causes the muscles in your upper face, including your nose, to contract at the same time. Your body does a little dance to increase pressure in your chest cavity. Muscles between your ribs and the diaphragm all work together to make your breathing muscles more effective at pushing air out of your lungs. This sudden rush of air out of your nose creates that loud, sometimes even echoing sound we all recognize as a sneeze. But why does your nose itch right before you sneeze? That is because the nerves in your nose are reacting to the same foreign particles that triggered the sneeze in the first place. It's like an alarm system letting you know there's an intruder in your nasal passages. And once the battle commences, those particles stand no chance. Your immune system is ready to fight with special cells that capture and destroy invaders. Other cells release histamine, which causes inflammation and more sneezing. It's a well-coordinated attack that clears out your nasal passages and protects your body from harm. Now, while we typically think of sneezing as a way to expel unwanted stuff from our noses, it can also be a reflex to expel unwanted stuff from our brains. When you sneeze, your brain, spinal cord, and certain nerves send signals to your body that cause you to bend down and your arms to move. This helps clear out your nasal passages and allows you to breathe easier. And although it may seem strange to talk about someone's sneeze, it's actually a great way to tell if they have a cold. If their sneezes are wet or accompanied by a fever, they might be contagious. So it's important to cover up to prevent the spread of germs. But if their sneezes are dry and don't include any other symptoms, they're probably not contagious. In this case, it's okay to go ahead and let them rip. So the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, take a moment to appreciate the amazing process that's happening in your body. From your brain to your nose and everything in between, your body is doing an incredible job of protecting you from harm. Just be sure to have some tissues handy and try not to aim it at your new white shirt. You'd hate to ruin that, right?